whatever part's adopting it, that leader has got to say yes with every fiber of their being.
The only real difference is that you're not getting positional power. So somebody's not handing you a title and saying you're the director, you're the manager, or you're this, or what have you.
I definitely believe that there's kind of an individual developmental journey that is happening, that has to happen, that can be enabled by the organization.
I believe that what humans are looking for in the workplace that they choose is a workplace that is intentionally caring for them as a whole person.
So how do you start bringing that into your organizations when you've got 20 years of learned behaviors that aren't necessarily in sync?
We talk about it in the sense of a dynamic hierarchy. So you go to the right person for that knowledge. You don't just go to the person that has been pre-prescribed for you.
But I would say the more prevalent thing I see is actually pockets of much, much larger organizations really trying to commit, 3, 5, 1,000, 2,000 person.
And those are not where I expected to see the cases from. I expected it to be from the more nimble startup space.
Startups are inhibited by their governance structure from day one, and I wonder what would happen to them if you actually flipped it around so they could scale and then kind of become looser over time.
The Silicon Valley companies I've seen actually have a much harder time with it. The mindset's all wrong. The thinking short term. It's how do we build, grow, and exit in 3 years, which is you need a long-term time horizon to invest in a fundamental paradigm shift.